YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Southside Nate, and we back with another video. And in this video, we're gonna be working on the charger, man. Something slight. Charger back on the road, baby been running good. It's just one thing. I gotta finish putting this interior together. I got this wire hanging down for the headliner and all the controls and stuff. And I gotta put my airbag back on. But yeah, that's what we got going on in this video, man. I'm finally about to put the headliner back in here. So let me show y'all what we're working with. Boom. All right, so here we go. We got the old trusted dusty original headliner. And she's in horrible condition. Yes. But yeah, man, I always wanted to put the Suede up here. And I told y'all I ain't really care for that two-tone mess they got going on in there. So this definitely gotta go. So we're gonna go ahead and rip this old mess off and put this Suede on them. Yes, sir. It's a few pieces that I gotta paint. I gotta paint the trim piece, the part for the controls. I think I'm gonna paint the sun visors. Cause when I tried to wrap the sun visors on the bubble, did not come out right. So I think I'm gonna paint them and paint the little clip pieces and the little handle parts in the back. All they gotta be painted black. But yeah, that's what we're going with, man. Now that good old Suede, that Amazon Suede, it's like $60. I actually got this one way longer. I ain't gonna say way, but it's much longer than the one I got for the bubble because I gotta wrap the shade too. So I'm hoping that I got enough, that I ordered enough so I'll be able to wrap the shade also. Yeah. But yeah, man, that's what we got going on in this video. I ain't gonna do too much more talking. We're gonna go ahead and get started, get this knocked out. Let's get it. Got a few cracks in there, but we'll fix them up. What up, bro?
Take this heat, man.
All right, so yeah, a wire wheel. The other wheel's too soft. This wire wheel will get the job done. So we got it all off. Boy, good pile of it. But it do got a couple spots where it's cracked it. Kind of feel like I want to repair it before I try to put the stuff on it, but I don't know. I threw some duct tape on the back of it to hold it. I know I got some fiberglass stuff over there at Aunt crib. I might shoot over there and get that, just so I can repair these little parts a little better. So when I'm rubbing, trying to get the headliner down, it'll go down smooth. Yeah, that's what I went with it. Alright, YouTube. Now, I don't got all the pieces that was cracked on here repaired. It was about 4 or 5 spots that I had to repair. Got all them repaired. Now I got this baby laid out. And it's time to start applying it. Got my overhang. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably flip it back like that. Spray the adhesive on one side. I'm gonna do half and half. Yeah, it was one crack right there. Repaired that too.
Let's go from Valerie.
So yeah, I'm gonna slap half of it back like this. Probably start right here at the sunroof opening, then work my way that way. Spraying some on each, bring it back some, smooth it all the way out, spray some more, work my way all the way to the end right here, and then do the other side the same way. I'm gonna try my best not to get a crease in this one like I did on the bubble. That thing made me mad. I'm gonna end up having to redo that one anyway, so I ain't tripping, but I'm gonna try to get this one laid up here as smooth as possible without any creases. I ain't gonna do too much more talking. I'm gonna get my adhesive out and get busy. Let's get it. YouTube, got the headliner complete. Now I just gotta cut all the accents off. Piece of work. Make sure you buy enough adhesive, at least 2 full cans. I like to use a lot to make sure it get a good bond. But yeah, man, that look good. So I still gotta paint all the pieces and I still gotta wrap the shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, trim all the excess off, get the shade out, get them other pieces ready, and get this done today, man. Put everything back in the car. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna do too much more talking, man. Let's get it. Got that baby trimmed up. Boy, this thing look good. I got one little mini crease in it right there, but that's gonna be up under the sun visor anyway, so I ain't tripping. But yeah, just got finished trimming it. Yes, sir. Oh, the Charger about to be back in the game, baby. Yes, sir. All right, boom, got the sunroof out. And this the shade part that I gotta wrap. And this is one of the plastic pieces that I gotta paint. So what I'm about to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this, paint this, and the rest of them pieces. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, I got everything ready to be put back in the car. See, I got the trim on, got the shade cover done. I broke the little handle that go right there. I go to the junkyard to snatch another one. But yeah, about to get ready to slap this back in the car first. And we'll come behind this with the headliner. Got all those pieces painted. Put this back on. It got a piece that go on the back. I'm gonna turn the camera sideways. Got a piece that go on the back that it clip into. Got that put back on. Then it's time to get this baby back in the car. Boom. I'm gonna clean this right quick. That little part going around. Clean that up right quick, fast. And we'll slap it back in. I still got to hit the jams on this. Well, I still got to hit this car with the power washer. She still haven't been hit with the pressure washer. Now look at the jams. The jams is horrible. Down in that part horrible. I ain't getting there when I wash it in the trunk. But yeah, that's where we at. We get y'all set up. Probably put y'all on the passenger side. And we gonna get busy, man. Let's get it. YouTube, got that baby up in there. I just gotta put the sun visors on and them handles in the back. But that baby is up in there. Damn, that shit looks so good. It's about to get dark on me, but I'm gonna go ahead and get them pieces up there and we're gonna get a better look at it tomorrow. YouTube, I got that baby all wrapped up. Looking good too. I must say I'm satisfied with the outcome. Oh yeah, she looking good. Yes sir. And we'll hold the phone steady. Hand shaky as hell. It's hot out here. That's my excuse. I'm sticking with it. But nah. Boy, look at it. Got all my trim pieces in, my sun visors. I painted them sun visors. That looked good. That was a good idea. It would be nice to learn how to wrap them, but these here got painted. Oh yeah. I still got a line of that trim piece right there up in the back. That headliner is in there, boy. Yes, sir. Man. That Suede look good as hell. I hope y'all can see it good. I'm recording with my phone right now. I recorded a clip with my GoPro 2. So whichever one looked better on the computer is probably the one I use, but man, it's looking good. Y'all jump off in the comments and tell me what y'all think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That baby look good. There we go. Is that a better view? Look at that Suede. Wow. I broke the little handle piece right there, so I'm gonna have to find another one. Damn, this look good. It definitely hit with this interior. Definitely hit with that. Baby coming together now. Oh yeah, my baby coming together. But yeah, YouTube, this was just a quick video of me putting this headliner in here. I ain't gonna do too much more talking. It's hot. I got a lot more to do. I'll probably do all camera. I gotta deep clean this baby. Hit it with the power washer. And them tires, I'm gonna burn them motherfuckers up. I already got my rims, and they got a brand new set of tires on the back. So I'm gonna smoke them out. Go ahead and get rid of. But yeah, man, like, share, comment, subscribe. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I'll catch y'all on the next one. We're gonna be working on summer rain. Let's get it.